office is searching for Elizabeth Rex, white, female, 14 years old, date of birth January 6, 2000, height 5 feet 1 inch, weight 113 pounds, brown hair, brown eyes, and wearing black pants, gray tank top, red jacket, gray tennis shoes. Elizabeth also has Down syndrome, autism and a pre-development disorder 5-6. Police are looking for Randy Johnson, white, male, 51 years old, date of birth March 29, 1963, height 5 feet 6 inches, weight 135 pounds, brown hair, hazel eyes and unknown clothing, in connection with her abduction. The suspect is driving an unknown vehicle. The suspect was last heard from in Magnolia, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Montgomery County Sheriff's Office at 936-672-1992. News media point of contact is Montgomery County Sheriff's Office at 936-538-3456.